Okay, hey, this is Jarrett West, Exit Realty, and I am in 171 Genius Drive, Winter Park, Florida 32789. The house is listed for $4,095,000. It's in very close to Rollins College, about less than a mile away across the lake in the back, and we're within walking distance to Park Avenue. Here's the community. As you go through those pillars right there, you're in Windsong, and across the street you have a really nice view, so you have no front neighbors. And this particular house was built by a Carlos Posada out of New Orleans, and the owners of this house were the original owners, and they built it, and they actually spent time in New Orleans to help design the house. So it's got the gas lights out front. The builder who built the house, he actually wouldn't mind speaking to you. He does that quite often for the houses that he builds and their resales. So it was built in 2000. Has these parapet walls right here, which are the brick column walls that are common in New Orleans. And what they do is they prevent fires, like firewalls in between. Now that's a 3-car garage, and above it is a 950 square foot loft room, and it's open, has a bar, and we'll go up there in a minute. But here's the front. You have a small courtyard there off of the main dining room that has a water feature, and you open the doors while you're entertaining, and it gives you nice, very nice sounds. And through the back, these bricks that go throughout the backyard and down to the lake, these were repurposed from streets in New Orleans. So they actually brought these bricks here from New Orleans. And here's the pool. Through the tree line over there on the other side of the lake is Rollins College. That would be Lake Virginia over there. But this lake is Lake Moselle. I think it connects onto the Winter Park chain, if I'm not mistaken. I have to look into that. Okay, we'll go inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take you through the gate and into the garage before we go into the main house. Okay, so here's the water feature, and here is the formal dining room. It has 2 doors that you can open up and listen to the water feature. It is adjustable. Okay. Okay, so here's the 3-car garage. Lots of room. There's a central vac, which is very nice. It also has 4 AC units throughout the house, and 3 of them have been replaced as recently as this year. So if you're interested, we'll get the dates on all of those. Well, really nice up here. Here's the space. Great for entertaining. Wow, this would be so nice. This is definitely a place that you can spend some quality family time up here with everyone. All right, full shower. So if you had guests that were staying here, this could be a really nice guest room. Beautiful granite. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the main house. Okay, so here are the flagstones to the front of the house. Again, the New Orleans architecture with the balcony, and it feels like you're on Bourbon Street. But the main house is a 4-bedroom, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, 5,273 square feet. The master is on the first floor, which is very good. So we come in, and we have heart of pine floors throughout the bottom. Huge 11-foot ceilings, and then all of our door casings are architecturally designed to be wider at the bottom and narrower on the top to make it appear larger in a smaller house, although this house doesn't really need it. It's just following the architectural designs of what you have in New Orleans, I suppose. Here's your office, and we can go straight through. And this is Lake Mizell. Again, it does connect to the Winter Park chain, going all the way through Lake Virginia, which is where Rollins College is, and then over through Lake Osceola to Lake Maitland and to Lake Minnehaha. There's a house right over there, you probably can't see it, but the company is listing that next week, the same company that has this property listed, and that house right across the lake is listing for $12 million. Okay, here is the master, and you can see all the detailed woodworkings and the casings. Okay, it's got a great view. We have the pool, and then we have the lake. Here we have custom travertine tile here, and in the shower. There's a claw tub, a nice view. His and hers vanities, and yeah, I suppose that's a makeup station. And let's see, here's the closet, walk in, organizers. So from the front door, go into a formal living room overlooking the lake. You can go through to one of the half baths. And then here is the formal dining. Again, those two doors open onto the courtyard, and we have an adjustable water feature there that you can turn up or down. Here to the butler's pantry. And here's a mudroom. Coming in through the garage. To the laundry. And another half bath for the pool. From the butler's pantry into the kitchen, all gas appliances, of course. Huge island, lots of sitting room, fireplace in the eat-in kitchen, very nice. And again, here's your view on the eat-in, and a view of the bath. Okay. We can go upstairs where we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a loft. Again, the heart of pine flooring all the way up. Very spacious. Great open feeling from first floor to second floor. Sitting room. would be bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. Very large, spacious. Looks like here is a full bath, of course. Encased mirror. This will be bedroom number 4. So they weren't not counting the office downstairs as a bedroom. Here would be bedroom or bathroom number 4. Beautiful views. Wow. Okay, well, this is Jarrett, and my number is 407-227-4800, 407-227-4800, and I look forward to hearing from you.